right, you guys are going to love today. There's only, the notes are going to be super short, but you do need your calculators, especially if you're not very good with integers. All right, so what did we learn about yesterday? If we have a negative coefficient, that means a coefficient is the one with the variable. It works like a co-pilot, co-worker. It works with the variable. So that means we're going to have to reverse this inequality sign. Do we have a negative coefficient here? We sure do. Do we have a negative coefficient here? No. Do we have a negative coefficient here? No. Here? No. Here? Yes. So you can see where we have these negative coefficients, and they're kind of worked in here. So that's what that's the only kicker here. Otherwise, you're just solving these as a regular two-step equation. Okay, so this one, we're solving for y. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. It's always our first step. So first step is always undo addition, subtraction. Second step is undo multiplication or division. So I'm going to undo this. So I'm left with a negative 8y is greater than negative 8. Now I'm dividing by a negative 8, which means I need to switch this inequality sign. Y is any number divided by itself is just 1. And there's my answer. The next one, I'm solving for D. Since this is multiplication, this is 13. Just adding 13, I'm going to subtract the 13 from both sides first. I'm left with this a negative 11D. Do not lose that negative. And in my calculator, 9 minus 3 is 6, 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay? To solve for D, I need to divide by a negative 11. And since I'm dividing by a negative, I need to reverse this inequality sign. And 66 divided by a negative 11 is a negative 6. Okay. This one here, add or subtract first. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. So x divided by 7 is less than or equal to 4. This is division, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 7. It is not negative, so my inequality sign stays the same, and that's 28. I want you to go ahead and try the next 3. I'm going to start late so we can let you get started, and I'm just going to solve them, and then you can check yours. So get going. Try to solve these on your own. I'm going to silently start mine. Hopefully yours equals mine And if not, you can see where you made your mistake. Again, this is the only thing we're doing today is working on solving these two-step inequalities.